Hello friends, this is the second video of JavaScript tutorial, and in this video we will talk about how to write the first program in JavaScript, and after that we will talk about syntax used in JavaScript. So first of all we will start with the download of a software which is required to write the program of JavaScript. Now, as I had told you in my previous video that uh, we need to have a web browser if we want to run a JavaScript program, because JavaScript is used to write for websites, and we can make them more interactive with the help of JavaScript. So here what we will do is we will write our program in one of the softwares which is named as Visual Studio Code. So we will download it, we will write our codes inside this software, and after that we will run it on our web browser. Any of the web browser you can use Chrome, you can use Firefox, you can use Internet Explorer, any web browser you can use. Okay, so let's first of all download it, and to download Visual Studio Code, what we have to do is we have to go to Google, and inside Google you can type here Visual Studio Code, and after that you click here, and when you will click here you will go on to this page, and from here you can start your downloading. So here if you will click, you will you will start downloading. As you can see here, it has started downloading. So with from here you can download it. I'm not going to download because I have already downloaded it. Just download it and install it, and it is done. After that you open your Visual Studio, and it is seen like this, and from here new file will be opened, and after that you can start writing your code here. Okay, I have already written one code here. I have written a program here to show you, but because I am making this tutorial uh, for beginners, so I am thinking that you don't know about coding, how to write all those things. So that is why whatever I will show you right now, you will not be able to understand it. But don't worry, I'm just showing it to you. Okay, we will step by step we will go through all the things in the upcoming videos, and after that you will learn everything. So here is the program which I have written, and you can see this program here. So many syntax, so many alphabets, so many symbols have been used to write this program. But first of all, we will see that there is a hierarchy which has been followed here. Hierarchy means that first of all, whenever you will write a program for JavaScript, first of all you will have to follow a hierarchy. Inside that hierarchy only you can write your program. And what the hierarchy is, that first of all you will always have to start here from HTML, and after that this body, then after that inside body you can write the script, and at the end these all are closed. Don't worry, I will write it by myself for you, and then you will understand it. Okay, now first of all you can see here we have HTML. We have written HTML here. Don't worry, in the upcoming lectures we will talk about what is HTML and what is the hierarchy of HTML, but for the time being just I am showing it to you that this is the hierarchy which has to be followed, and here is the JavaScript program which I have written. From here to here, this is my JavaScript program, and the other things which are outside this thing, these are not related to JavaScript. That is HTML. Okay, so now how we will write the program. First of all, as I just told you, I will tell you in the upcoming videos about HTML and the hierarchy of HTML, but for the time being, just let's take a new page here, and inside it I will write the program. I will write the first program, very small program I will write to show you. So what we will do is we will start here from HTML. So what I will do is I will write here HTML. Okay, after that I will enter, and in the second line I will write body. Okay, and after that I will write here, after body I will write here script. Okay, and after script I will leave some space here, and after that I will close this script also. Then I will close body. If I want to close, then I will have to put a slash here. It means that it will be closed, and at the end HTML will be closed. Okay, and inside script, from here to here we have this space. Inside this space we will write our JavaScript program. So what I am doing here is I will just type one thing, and that is I will write here document dot write, and I will put bracket, and inside brackets what I will do is I will put double quotes, and inside double quotes I will write hello world. This is my first JavaScript program. Okay, and after that I will put semicolon here, and that's it. Now what I will do here is that I will save this file, and I will save it as, I can save it anywhere, and I will save it as, let us suppose I'll give it any name. Let us suppose I am giving it tutorial. Its name is tutorial. Okay, so this is tutorial, and I will give an extension to it, and that is .html. This is the extension which I will give to it, and after that I will save it anywhere. I have saved it as I have saved it at in a folder inside desktop, and that's it. So now I have saved it, and when I saved it you can see the color has been changed now. In the similar way you will see so many colors here. Okay, because now it has been saved as HTML. So here is the name, tutorial.html. Okay, so now let's run this program. This is our first program, and let's run it. Let's see what happens. So now this program has been written here. You can see here uh, it is a new folder inside on desktop. So the name was tutorial.html. Let's open it, and you double click on it, and here you can see uh, on a web browser it whatever I had written there, that has been shown here. Hello world, this is my first JavaScript program. So what we have done here, we have simply written some codes here, and I have run it on any of the browser. Here I have used Chrome to run it. Whenever you want to show anything on the web page, whenever you want to print anything on the web page, then we use this command document.write, and after this inside those brackets, and between those double quotes or single quote, whatever you will write, that will be printed on the web page. Okay, and this is a very small thing which we have done, and this is our first program. Now, as you can see here, we have used so many syntax here. Now, what are syntax? These are some of the symbols which are used, and when we combine them in a particular way, then they create the web page, and with the help of which we can make it more interactive. So now, for example, here you can see we have used here the program which I have written earlier. In it you can see that I have used semicolon. These are the semicolons. Okay, then I have used brackets. These are the brackets. Okay, inside the brackets I have used double quote. After that I have after every line I have used the these semicolons, and I have used curly brackets also. Somewhere you can see here I have used curly brackets. I have used square brackets also. So all these are called as a syntax. So with the help of syntax, we are able to write all these things, and every syntax has a particular meaning, and we will talk about all those syntaxes in the upcoming videos. If I will tell you about all the syntaxes in a single video, you will not be able to understand it. When I will tell you with the help of some examples where these syntaxes are being used, then you will get to know about these syntaxes. So here the most important semicolon we have just used, and the semicolon is used whenever you are putting the end of a statement. And now, what is a statement? A statement is like a whole line, what you want to do here. For example, here if I want to print this thing, hello world. If I want to print this, then at the end what I will do is I will have to put a semicolon. Okay, and after I'll put a semicolon here, and then I will be able to put an end of it. So after every statement you will have to write this semicolon, and it ends the a particular statement, and the statement is what you have told. For example, this is a whole statement, this is one more statement, this is one more statement. So after every statement you will have to put this semicolon. In the same way, we have brackets. These are the brackets, and these brackets are used at so many places. We will come across various programs, and you will see that these are used everywhere. Almost everywhere we use them. So every syntax has its own role, and we will talk about all of them. We will talk about one more thing here, that is the comments. So what are comments? Actually, here, suppose that I have written a very long program, and in future I want, when I will see it again, then I want to know, I want to remind myself that what I have done in that particular program. So I will have to give some comments that what I have done at a particular stage of my program. Or if any other programmer want to see your codes, then he should be able to know that what you have done inside that coding. So for example, here after script, I told you that I have to use many syntaxes, and according to particular rules I can write things here. But sometimes I just want to show that what I have done. So here if I write like by using forward slash, if I have used those two forward slash, and after that I am writing, this is my first JavaScript program. So I have written it, and here the computer will not read it while running it. Okay, after those two forward slashes, whatever you will write in that particular line, that will not be read by the computer while running. So here the computer will ignore whatever you have written in the line after this forward slash. Okay, so nothing will happen here. The program will run in the same way. Again, what I have to do is I will go to file and then save it, and after that I will again run it, and you can see here that nothing has happened. It is remaining same as it is. But if somebody will see that what I have done here in this program, then he will get to know that here I have written my first JavaScript program. Okay, so in the same way, if in my this program, if I want to tell anybody that what I have done here, then in between here, if I want to say that uh, I have I have made cat face here. Okay, so actually here I have made a cat face, you can see here. So this is something I will show you in the upcoming videos, that what I have done here. But for the time being, I'm just telling you that I have made cat face here, that's it. So computer will not read it, and it will ignore it. Okay, so this is the benefit. And moreover, if we have one more type of comment symbol, uh, here what we have here with this double forward slash is that only a single line in which you will use it, that will be ignored by the computer. But suppose that in your particular program you want the computer to ignore from here to here, all the things from here to here, you want the computer to ignore all those things. So if you want the computer to ignore all those things, then if you will use double forward slash, then in every line you will have to use this. Okay, so as you can see here, if I am using double forward slash here, the the color has been changed, you can see here. And now it means that computer will ignore it. But I want computer to ignore all other things from here to here also. Okay, so in that case, what I will have to do is I will have to put forward slashes again and again. Okay, which will become very much time consuming. So what I want to do here is I want to do something else. So instead of double forward slash, what I will do is use I will use here slash and star. Now you can see here, after slash and star, it has, you see here, everything uh, has been ignored now, because it had it the whole of the program after this star has changed its color, means computer will ignore everything. But I don't want I want it to ignore, let's say, only up to here. Let us suppose I want it to ignore only up to here, or only up to here, let's say. Okay, so if I want it to ignore only up to here, then what I will do is this was the opening of this, and now I will stop it here to ignore. And what I will do is, first of all, I will put star and then forward slash. Now you can see that the color has also changed for here, and now you can see that computer will read this, and after that it start reading from here. So this was the starting and this was the end. Okay, so this is one more way by which you can give comments if you have more than one lines which you want computer to ignore. In that case, you can use this one also to give comments, or for the time being uh, you want the computer to ignore some of the codes which you have written. So in that case, you can use this one also. Here you can see that instead of this one, if let us suppose if I am using this one, then you can see that it will ignore all the things up to here if I am not stopping it here. So it will ignore up to here. And now if I'll save the program and if I will run it again refresh it, okay, you will get to know. Here you can see that nothing you can see now. Why? Because you can see here what you have done, you have told computer to ignore this one also. Okay, so that is why now it has ignored it, and you cannot do it anymore. Now if I'll stop it here, then what I will do, first of all I will put star, then forward slash. Now it is working same as that of double forward slash. And now I will save it again, and again I will refresh here, and you can see it has come back again. So that's it for this video, and I hope you understood what I just told to you, and I'll see you in the next video in which I will talk about the data types. Okay, so have a nice day. Goodbye.